How to use Duolingo effectively. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can actually use Duolingo effectively. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to use Duolingo effectively, it not only happens so because you have the Duolingo app and then you learn a language, doesn't mean you become fluent in that language. To learn Duolingo effectively while using the application, you have to learn the language, participate in events such as taking the courses, taking the tests, and doing the homeworks properly, and also learning and practicing new vocabulary, focusing on listening skills, and so on. You also need to get reading and notice grammar structures. So learning is only not the way. You have to read up stories about the language that you're trying to learn. You have to try to read the books, watch the content or movies or something like that, depending upon the language that you're trying to learn. So what I say is, don't rely on Duolingo alone, and don't leave the app during a lesson. Use your target language's keyboard, revise, and aim for understanding. So this way you should be able to use Duolingo effectively. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.